my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Miss Pinky. Welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, earlier we have discussed some topics of this chapter and today also we are going to start one new topic of this chapter. Today we will discuss that how can we convert 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time, and how can we convert 12-hour clock time to the 24-hour clock time. But before starting our today's topic, first of all let us see what is the meaning of AM and PM. Here you can see one clock and here we have only 12 numerals. But we know that a day has 24 hours. So the hour hand must go round the clock twice in a single day. Okay. And in this clock you can see it shows 7 o'clock, but it's not clear that it is the time in the morning or in the evening. So to avoid this problem, to avoid such problems, we use AM and PM. The time from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon is expressed by AM. And what is the meaning of AM? AM means anti-meridian. Okay. AM is short form of anti-meridian. And anti-meridian means before noon. Okay. The time from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight is expressed by PM. It stands for post meridian. Okay. And post meridian means after noon. ठीक है. And short form of post meridian is PM. And you can see here also. Here I have written 12 midnight. Here 12 noon. And here 12 midnight. Okay. And here you can see I have written AM and here PM. Okay. So beta, here from here to here we have total 24 hours. So the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon is expressed by AM. Okay. And the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight is expressed by PM. Now students, let us see what is 24-hour clock. The 24-hour clock is another way of telling time. Railways, airlines, TV channels, etc. use this way of telling time. And in 24-hour clock, the time is written in 4 digits form. Here you can see we have one digital clock and here time is written in 4 digit form. Okay. Here 20 and here 0, 0. So what is the time? 20 hours is the time in this clock. And first 2 digits show hours and last 2 digits show minutes. Okay. And the 24-hour clock does not use AM or PM to show the time. And in 24-hour clock, 12 midnight is denoted as 0000 hours or as 2400 hours. Let us see how can we convert the 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time. Students, if the time from 12 midnight to 12:59 am. Okay. If the time is from 12 midnight to 12:59 am, then we have to subtract 12 from the given time. We have to subtract 12 from the given time and write the time without am. Okay. At the end, in the answer, we have to write hours, okay, with the answer. Here let us take one example to understand it. Here we have to change 12:43 am into 24-hour clock time. So here beta, according to rule, our time is between 12 midnight to 12:59. So here, according to rule, we have to subtract 12 from 12:43 am. But we have to subtract 12 from this part. Okay. Before this part show hours and this part shows minutes. So here we have to subtract 12 from this part which shows hours. Okay. So here we have to write 12:43. Now we have to subtract 12 from here, and here you can write 0, 0. Now here 3, here 4 as it is, and here 0, 0. So this time is according to 24-hour clock. So what is the time? Yes, 00:43 hours is the time. And here in this part we have only 0 hour and here 43 minutes. Now let us take one more example. Here we have to change 12:35 am into 24-hour clock time. So here also beta we have am. Okay, here you can see we have am and here 12:35 am, and this time is between 12 midnight and 12:59 am. So according to rule, here also we have to subtract 12 from the given time. So here we have to write 12:35 as it is, and now we have to subtract 12 from this. Okay. Here in this portion we have to write 0, 0, and here we have to write 12. Now here 5, here we get 3, and here 0, 0. So what is the answer? 00:35 hours is that time according to 24-hour clock. Let us see if that given time is from 1 am to 12:59 pm. Then what we will do? Then how can we convert the given time into 24-hour clock time? If the given time is from 1 am to 12:59 pm, then write the same time without am or pm. Okay. Now let us take one example. Here I have written 2:45 am. Okay. 2:45 am, and we want to change it into 24-hour clock time. So beta, according to rule, we have to write this time as it is. Okay, but without am or pm. Here we have to write hours with answer. So here we have 2. Only 2, 4 hours. So here we have to write 0, 2. Okay, because you know, according to 24-hour clock, we have to write 4 digits. Okay, 2 digits 4 hours and 2 digits 4 minutes. So here we have only 2, but here we have to write 0, 2. 2 and 0, 2 both are same, and here in this part we have 45 minutes. So here also we have to write as it is 45. So what is the answer? Yes, 0, 2 hours 45 minutes. Okay, or we can say 2 and 45 hours. Now let us take one more example. Here we have 11:38 am. So here also we have to write this time as it is. But here already we have 4 digits. So it's very easy, because here in this part we have 11. So here also we have to write 11. And here we have 38. So here also we have to write 38. Okay, 4 minutes. So 11 38 hours is the answer. Now let us see if the given time is from 1 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. Okay, then what we will do? Yes, then we have to add 12 hours and write the time without PM. Okay, if the given time is from 1 PM to 11:59 PM, then add 12 hours and write the time without PM. Okay, so beta, let us take one example. Here we have 1:40 PM. 1:40 PM. Okay, so what we will do? Yes, according to rule, here we have to write 12 hours. Okay, we have to add 12 in this part. Okay, in this part means here we have only 1. So we have to add 12 to 1. So here we have to write 0, 0 and here we have to 12. We have to write 12. So what is the answer? 0, 4 and here 3 and here 1. So 13 hours 40 minutes will be our answer. Or you can say 13 dot 40 hours will be our answer. Now let us take one more example. Here we have 4:23 p.m. So here also we have to add 12 to 4. Okay, to this part. So here we have to write here 12 and here we have to write 0, 0. And here now we have to add 12 hours to 4:23. Now what is the answer? Yes, 3, here 2 and here 6 and here 1. So 16 hours 23 minutes will be our answer, or you can say 16 dot 23 hours will be our answer.